Welcome to the tutorial on how to register PageGate. The first step is to run the PageGate admin. Find the shortcut for the PageGate admin, right-click on it, and select Run as Administrator. If prompted by the UAC, please allow this process to continue. Once the admin opens, on the left-hand side, click on the Registration section. The registration information must be typed exactly as it was sent to you. This is both case and punctuation sensitive. The easiest way to register PageGate is to go into your email, highlight the entire contents of the registration email you were sent, then hit Ctrl-C on your keyboard, or go to Edit Copy in your email program. Then come back into the PageGate admin and left-click on the Paste Registration from Clipboard option. This will automatically fill in the registration information for you. Alternatively, you can manually enter a registration key. The information I'm about to enter is a 30-day registration key code for PageGate. This key will unlock every feature of the program for up to 5,000 recipients for 30 days, after which the program will revert to its limited trial mode. The information in every field listed here is both case and punctuation sensitive, so be sure that what you enter exactly matches the corresponding field in the registration key. If you've made a typo or a mistake in the key, you'll receive this box notifying you that the registration was not successful. If you've entered the information correctly, it will say Registration Successful. Once the program is registered, click on OK, then click Close. This concludes the tutorial on how to register PageGate. For more tutorials, including how to configure PageGate, please visit our website, www.notepage.net.